Here's how I updated my builder grade shower trim. Now this trim here is a Moen. You can see it's stamped at the bottom of the trim plate there. Most reputable brands will stamp their products with their name on it. So if you're not sure if you have a Moen or a Delta or Kohler or Growy or whatever, take a look on the actual faceplate itself and they should be stamped. Now the first thing I'm going to do is remove the set screw underneath the handle, and then I can pull the handle off. Next, you're going to want to pull this Phillips screw out of this part that holds the handle on. And that whole assembly will pop out, well, once you get the screw loose. So now remove that, and then you'll be left with these two Phillips screws here. Now these screws are actually quite long, but don't use a cordless drill. You risk scratching. Maybe to remove the old one if you're just going to throw it in the garbage, but don't use a cordless drill on the new trim that you're going to put on. So now we're just left with this, and this piece here just pops straight out, and there's our shower valve exposed. This is a Moen Posi-Temp. And now it's just a matter of reassembling what we just took apart, basically reversing the steps. So you can see here I went with a nice black trim, and what you're going to want to do is make sure you have the corresponding trim to whichever your shower valve is. Again, look at the faceplate, it'll tell you if it's Moen, Delta, Kohler, Growy, again. So now I'm just putting this part back together, and you're going to want to make sure you put all the pieces in. And what that helps with is making sure that you're going to have a handle that's tight. Now if you skip any of these pieces and you still are able to get it together, you're going to have a loose handle. And once I get this locked in here, it's just a matter of putting on the handle. And then that set screw once again goes up underneath. And thanks for watching. Please feel free to leave a comment. I always try and get back to people. Any questions, comments. But this is a cheap way to upgrade your bathroom, is to just replace the trim. Alright, thanks again for watching. Should have this wrapped up any second here. And look at that.